hey!
Hare.
So what is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying? Krishna, 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 hey! Radharani's saying, hey, where is this Krishna? And then sometimes Lord Chaitanya was so emphatic, he would just grab somebody around the neck, where's Krishna? You can imagine if someone, you're the skinny little Arisan chokidar in the Jagannath Puri temple, you just walk standing out there all day with a little stick in your hand, and this 7-foot giant comes up. This golden giant, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, with shaved head, effulgent like 10,000 suns, and he grabs you by the neck, where's Krishna? He's there, come. And then you put him on the ground, take me! So then, Chokidar took him by the hands, come. And they ran in the temple, there he is! Rajendra Nanda and Jagannath Swami ki Jai! That is Krishna. There is Krishna. You see? Big lotus eyes, big raktadhara, big beautiful red lips. And Lord Chaitanya would swoon in ecstasy when he stood by the Guru Stamba. And he would put his hand like this, his fingers. Because he started tottering, he would stand, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would stand by the Guru Stamba, which is quite far, a couple of 100 meters from Jagannath Swami. And there's many pillars in the temple, the Jagannath temple. So when you stand at the Guru Stamba, there's Balaram, Subhadra, Jagannath. Right? There's Balaram, then Subhadra, and Jagannath. So when you stand there, where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stood at Guru Stamba, you can't see Balaram and you can't see Subhadra. The construction of the temple is not a clear vision. Because he only was interested in Krishna. Radharani wants to see Krishna, not Balaram or Krishna's sister. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu started to totter. He would be stunned and he would start to faint in unconsciousness. Then he would put his hand like this in the Guru Stamba to steady himself. And he was vibrating and pulsating with such incredible ecstasies in Mahabhav that his whole body was like a nuclear reactor. A nuclear reactor emitting so much heat and so much separation, burning viraha agni, burning fire of separation. When Lord Chaitanya, he put his fingers like this to steady himself, then the fingerprints melted into the Guru Stamba, you can see. Actually in the back wall. He was like this, he would start to fall back. And he put his hand like this behind the Guru Stamba and the wall, and the wall melted from his fingerprints. He just touched the stone, and the stone melted because his body was feeling so much heat. Hot enough to melt stone. You know, like laser saw, they saw a laser beam that can cut through. So this is Mahaprabhu's ecstasy. So this is Vragatmika Bhakti. Someone's mind just has such intense attachment that they see their object, their obsession everywhere, all the time.